So, you want to add an evergreen countdown timer to AWeber? Whether you're running a time-sensitive offer, a product launch, or an automated scarcity campaign, having a countdown timer that resets for every subscriber can boost conversions. But AWeber doesn't natively support evergreen timers, so how do you actually make this work? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add an evergreen countdown timer to AWeber and, more importantly, how to avoid the common mistakes that can ruin your automation. The first thing you need to understand is that AWeber doesn't have a built-in countdown timer feature. If you want to add one, you'll need a third-party solution. Some of the most popular options include Deadline Funnel, Countdown Mail, and Motion Mail. Each of these tools allows you to create an evergreen timer that resets based on when a subscriber joins your list. Now, here's the catch. Not all countdown timers work the same way. Some simply display a timer, while others actually track individual subscribers and enforce the deadline properly, meaning if they revisit the email later, the timer will still reflect their original deadline. For true scarcity, Deadline Funnel is the best option because it locks the timer to each subscriber's email or IP address, ensuring they can't cheat the system by opening the email on another device. But it's also the most expensive. If you want a free or cheaper alternative, Countdown Mail lets you embed a simple evergreen countdown inside your AWeber emails, but it doesn't enforce the deadline across multiple devices. That means if someone clears their cookies or uses a different browser, they could reset the timer. So, if your campaign relies on strict urgency, this might not be the best option. To actually add the countdown timer to your AWeber email, you'll need to copy the HTML embed code from your chosen countdown timer tool and paste it directly into your email's HTML editor. If you're using AWeber's drag-and-drop email builder, you'll need to insert an HTML element, block and paste the code inside. Keep in mind, some email clients might not render countdown timers properly, especially if they're GIF-based, so always test your emails before sending them out. Now, the final thing to consider is whether AWeber is the best platform for this kind of automation. While AWeber is great for basic email marketing, it lacks advanced automation features compared to competitors like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit, which offer better integration with evergreen timers and more flexible automation rules. At the end of the day, if you just need a simple countdown timer, AWeber can work with third-party tools. But after testing all these solutions myself, I found a much better way to set up evergreen scarcity campaigns that's not only easier, but also more effective. If you want the best alternative for adding evergreen countdown timers to your emails without limitations, check out the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Try it out and see the difference for yourself.